Oh yeah, it's hot.
Oh, so the roller is really visible.
Yes, well, they did the best they could, so I think it looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Doesn't it look nice? And just remember that carpet we had.
So they did some kind of beading here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what it had in here. It had this plastic bead thing. Just
Maybe we could paint the roller or something so it's not visible.
yeah, I think so.
So there's like an overcut right there. But no, this is cool. This edging's nice. It's pretty nice.
You want to take a look at the other room?
This looks cool. I'm not a big fan of beading, but you know, it is what it is.
Yeah.
I kind of wish they didn't do that. I would have rather preferred molding. I thought they were going to use molding,
Oh, that breeze feels good.
you know.
Well, they asked me, do you want to do the beading? That's what we had in here.
I mean, it's a lot easier to do beading, which is
It
why
is,
it's a
and
lot faster.
It's a lot faster and saves money. So
I mean, it's nice. You know, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to
everything.
clean lines, but yeah, the beading could be done a little bit better. But it looks good.
It is hot as hell in here.
Oh, I don't think that thing I bought's going to work in here.
What thing?
I have to return it. The little shell.
Yeah, well, it definitely needs a cleaning. But
Yeah.
anyway, that's it for now.
Cool.